Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for your online security: setting up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on your Robinhood account. In 2025, with cyber threats on the rise, adding an extra layer of protection to your investments is more important than ever. This full guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it quickly and confidently. Let's get started. First things first, why bother with 2FA? It adds a second verification step beyond your password, making it much harder for hackers to access your account. Now, open your Robinhood app or head to the website and log in with your existing credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings, or Account, section. Look for a gear icon or something similar in the top right corner. Next, find the Security, or Two-Factor Authentication, option. It might be under a sub-menu like Privacy and Security. Tap or click on that, and you'll see options for enabling 2FA. Robinhood typically supports methods like an authenticator app, like Google Authenticator or auth, or SMS codes. I recommend using an authenticator app for better security, as it's less vulnerable to attacks. If you choose the app method, scan the QR code that appears on your screen using your phone's authenticator app. Once scanned, it will generate a 6-digit code. Enter that code into the Robinhood prompt to verify. If you're going with SMS, enter your phone number and wait for the code to be sent via text. After verification, Robinhood will confirm that 2FA is active. To make sure everything works, try logging out and logging back in. You should be prompted for that second code. If it all goes smoothly, you're good to go. In conclusion, setting up 2FA on Robinhood only takes a few minutes but can save you from major headaches down the line. It's a simple way to protect your hard-earned money. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.